In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ninjatrader username. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your username quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Ninjatrader website and logging into your Ninjatrader account dashboard. This is the secure web portal where you manage your account details. Make sure you're on the official site and that your browser shows a secure connection. Use your usual login credentials and wait for the dashboard to load fully before moving on. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the blue user or profile icon. It often looks like a small person silhouette. Click that icon to open a drop-down menu. This is the quickest way to access your personal settings without digging through multiple pages. From that drop-down, select Settings. This takes you to the hub where your account preferences live. If you're on a smaller screen, the layout might be condensed, but the settings option should still be visible in that same menu. Give the page a moment to load so all of the tabs appear. Inside Settings, find and open the Profile tab. This is the section that displays your current username along with other personal details. It's a good place to pause and confirm the username you currently have on file, especially if you manage multiple accounts or trade across different environments. Now, click the Change Username option. You'll see a field to enter your new username and a prompt to type your current password to confirm the change. Pick a username that's easy to remember, professional, and unique to you. Avoid using personal or sensitive information. If you see any on-screen guidance about allowed characters or length, follow it carefully to prevent errors. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization so you won't run into login confusion later. After you've entered the new username and your current password, click Save. The page should confirm the update or highlight anything that needs attention, such as an unavailable username. If everything goes through, you'll see your updated username reflected right there in the Profile tab. If it doesn't update immediately, a quick page refresh usually helps. Keep in mind that your new username becomes the one you'll use going forward when you sign in on the website. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the account dashboard, accessed settings, opened your profile, and saved your new Ninjatrader username with confidence.